So excited to share this announcement about a recruiting training site and community for all of you. And the best part about it, it's completely free. That's right. We have created a recruiting training site that has things such as LinkedIn messaging and scripts to get new clients, to source candidates. We have all the contracts that you would need for your new recruiting business: direct hire, engaged search, contract staffing. It's all there for you. Plus so much more curriculum and training when it comes to sales, getting clients, how you can use LinkedIn strategies. I haven't seen anything like this out there within this industry, and we've created it just for you. It's our time to give back to all of you who've watched our YouTube channel, followed us on Facebook. But let me stop talking about it and show you exactly what it looks like and how you can join immediately within seconds and be approved. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so here is the Recruiter Community free training site hosted by School, an amazing platform, and it's so simple to use. So once you'll come in, you have some instructions here on a welcome and where you want to navigate and what you want to look at. This is in conjunction with one of my members, Parker Cheney, who's had great success in the Recruitemy program, and he's become a guru on LinkedIn when it comes to content posting, engagement, and creating an authority figure around his niche in recruiting. So Parker has helped me create this site. So what's cool about this, it's truly a community. So it's collaboration right here. Anytime somebody has a question about something within their recruiting business, how to get started, how to find clients, how to scale internally, we just use this as a Facebook wall in a sense, and everyone collaborates here and communicates. We also included a whole classroom section, right? So when you come into the site, you'll have access to all of these different modules, okay? So if you click any one of these, you'll see videos here on different strategies, how to get your first client. I explain recruiting contracts here. We do a cold outreach script, which you can use. And then going back to the classroom, we have all the resources that we use and that you might want to consider using as well. Here's all the contracts that you can download as a Word document, replace it with your logo and your word tracks. So that's pretty great. I've had so many questions and inquiries through my YouTube channel and Facebook. Hey, Russ, can you send me some contracts? So I figured what better way than to have everyone be able to come to one place here and get all the information they would need. Cold calling scripts to help you cold calling clients or candidates if that's what your strategy is. Direct mail system, which has worked really well for me. Anytime you want to market a candidate and you want to protect yourself from your clients backdooring you, make sure you have a right to represent letter. Just download this on your computer, guys, and use it. Go ahead and put your logo on it and your word tracks. Go over to the homepage again. What's really cool about this is what we put here on the site is software, right? So these are all the software tools that we would recommend for your recruiting business. And we've listed like the free ones as well as paid ones. So you'll see that here as suggestions, and you go to Classroom and you click on resources, you'll see the free software tools that we recommend. These are CRMs, ATSs, video platforms, ways to get leads. And then we also have some of the paid tools that we'd recommend that we use for our sales system and for recruiting, which you can access right here. There's some discounts here for you as well if you use our links. So that's been a great value add for a lot of the members that are here right now. Really excited that we surpassed 100 members over this past weekend. Right here, 107 members that came into the program. We were hopeful that we'd have 100 members pretty quick. This happened in less than 2 weeks, and our next goal is to get to 1,000 here. Again, guys, there's no catch here. You don't owe anything. There's no payment. You don't need to go in your wallet or your pocket. Completely free for you. We have events here that we're going to start doing, like lives during the week, and talk about different topics that maybe you recommend. And then going back to the classroom, I think you're going to spend a lot of time here. It's great. So a lot of biz dev strategies that we put back here for you. If you're just starting out in recruiting, this is going to be really valuable. How you get your first clients, what software tools you want to use. We're going to also come in here and add different strategies on AI tools that you can use for your recruiting business. We have a ATS CRM that you can utilize, and we're going to put a snapshot on there with automated workflows, templates, scripts. For those of you who need a new website, we're going to have 5 different templates back there that you can literally plug and play and have a website up and running within a few hours for your new recruiting business if that's what you're doing. We've got a great module here on what niche to pick. That's always a popular question is, hey, I want to start a recruiting company. I just don't know what industry to go into. So we give you best practices and advice right here by clicking this module. Once you start getting placements, how do you scale your recruiting company? How do you hire the right people? You also might want to engage in a VA course. We're going to have a VA course back here as well for you to access. So yeah, guys, just incredible content back here, all for free. It's my time to give back. And we're going to eventually put a leaderboard, like gamification on here. We're thinking that through, whether it's some gift cards or a free shirt or something. So I'll take your ideas on that. But again, super excited about this. You guys, we already have 4 members pending right here. So I will approve you within seconds. The link is below on where you want to go to join the Recruitemy community free training platform and site. I hope to see you guys there. Thanks.